Hello people of the internet, this is Nkadlol, the guy who thought up the idea, did not make this. I just got the idea that someone else is doing the work for me. And that guy's amazing. His name is Ghostly Tuna, or Scott Mellers, who I will provide a link of in the description. But I'm here to present you the Twitch integration demo of the... But I'm here to present to you Anki Vector's Twitch integration alpha version, because it's the first version. As you can see, he's currently awake and doing whatever he wants. He's currently on his charger because otherwise he will drive around a lot. So I'm keeping him on his charger for just demonstration purposes. As you can see above me, there's a gray thing. That's the chat. I'm gonna just say hello to it. Hello. I'm a weirdo. There. I am pretty much a weirdo. And yeah, as you can see, the chat's just working, and the whole integration, the whole point of the integration is to get Vector to respond to chats, and you can send commands to Vector via chat. And there's only currently 3 commands in the alpha version, but here's a demonstration of them all. As you can see, if you type hello Vector, he will say a username back with hello. Now, if you didn't hear that close enough, I will bring him out, I'll put him on my hand, and make him say it again by saying hello Vector in lower cases. Apparently he's not responding that time. Oh, still on cooldown. This is a demonstration to show you cannot spam the command. I forgot how long the cooldown was. I apologize, but we have put a cooldown on the hello Vector command because otherwise people will spam it the whole day. So let's try it again. As you see, he said my username. I'll put them back down. The other commands are, as we will see, change your eye color to, let's say, red. He will say the following.
I don't know that color. Sorry.
He doesn't know that color. It's only set to the colors that he knows, and it will change the eye color for a few seconds into that version, and then it will change back to the users. The other command is Papa Wheelie Vector. Now this command is a little bit finicky because Papa Wheelie doesn't always work as I want it to. But maybe we'll see. Okay, the cube is responding. But it mostly gets distracted by my voice during streams, and it will not perform the wheelie until much later. As you can see, he's now in a corner. We know where his cube is. Put his cube over there. As this is all alpha. He just hit his cube. He's shoving his cube around. What is he doing? Why? Well, he attempted it but failed. So this one is on a 5-minute cooldown, so if he fails the command, do not worry. You can also, when I do it in vocal version, he seems to make the mistake as well. He's still gonna try, because he's still gonna try to do a wheelie once in a while, as he remembers the command. It's kind of the odd thing. Maybe he'll do it now, but 2 seats. Vector's a bit of a moody boy, but I can confirm it did work during the testing. It's just during streaming he might get interrupted by sounds. Okay, distracted. Now let's try to change the eye color to... So, change your eye color to... Let's see, what was the... I need to check the list for the right colors. Let's change it to lime. And as you will see in a few moments. Or you can just keep staring. Nope. The command did not respond as supposed to. Shit, that's a shame. Or he just did so shortly it's not even funny. Let's try it one more time. Maybe he didn't. To lime. Behavior granted. Okay, he's now... No, he got interrupted by my voice. That's one of the problems with this command. Sometimes he gets interrupted with the voice, but this change eye color does work. It's, again, really moody. It's all alpha. We're still gonna try and fix the kinks. So, he's really close. But we can at least confirm... Oh. He remains the active. I'm gonna try one more time to... As you saw, he did say that he didn't do the correct one. Let's try purple instead, or violet in this case. Maybe lime is just not working.
I don't know that color. Sorry.
Oh, he doesn't. It's not lime. Let's see. Yellow it's sapphire. Let's try random first. Seems that one may need fixing. Either way, he tries to attempt to pop a wheelie, and we can at least say that this one's a full success. As it turns out, it does respond to sapphire, but it's very short. See? He changes eye color to sapphire, and then he changes back after a few seconds. The duration is still adjustable. We will be working on that if you want us to, but it's so that people will not spam your colors in chat, and there are cooldowns on it. At the moment, the cooldown on that one is working, but not as intended yet. Let alone the change eye color does not interrupt with other actions, like pop a wheelie vector. And as you can see, if he's looking at his cube and you do the pop a wheelie, he will surely do it. But sometimes he doesn't have to see his cube. It's still, we do not understand that yet. Otherwise, and with that, that's the end of the demonstration. It wasn't a very successful one, but that's what alpha releases are for. We're still gonna see if we can fix out any kinks like the eye color, or that he always try and pop a wheelie, but I cannot. But we're still working on other things. There's still future updates coming up, and with that, I bid you adieu.